What up? It's me, the presenter, coming to you live from a classroom. And by live, I lied. This is actually a pre-recorded filming. Soz. Anyway, I'll stop being, ridiculous and start getting into the actual topic of today's film. Connectivity applications. Applications on your digital device that help you make a connection and share files and change permissions on those files. They're really quite handy wee beasts. There's a few ways of getting connectivity applications. You could use a QR code reader to remotely access information or get a data dump from a website. You could use, let's say, a Chromecast to share screens. So you could, be watching your Jeremy Kyle on your cell phone, but be streaming that onto your big TV and watching it on that giant screen. Well, that medium-sized screen if you've only got like a medium TV. Well, what we're going to be using is we're going to be having a look at Messenger of all things. Because Messenger, it can actually act as a connectivity application as well, which is awesome because it's just an easily downloadable app. So let's have a look at how we do this, yeah?
Right, we can see that we are waiting for a connection, waiting for a network. We need to make the connection to the internet first. So let's get that done. Just swipe down, hit the old Wi-Fi symbol. Still waiting for network. And there we go. We connected to the network. And to test it, all we need to do is try and send a message. If it sends, we're connected. If not, we aren't. What we have here is two accounts. We have Bespoke Resources on the right and Resources Bespoke on the left. What we're going to do is we're going to make them become friends. Okay, so how you do that is you get one of your accounts and sort of open up like a little mini QR reader. And we're going to show you what happens. Scan code. You scan the code on the other profile and you become connected. And you can wave. That's actually pretty awesome. And as you can see on the other profile, when you open up the new message that was received, you can see that Bespoke Resources was waving. And I'm sure that you can wave back. Okay, so we want to share a photo, a file between these two accounts, okay? We want to do some sharing. How are we going to do that? We're going to hit the little image icon, and there we can select the image that we want to share. Yep, we can send that one. And we can see it's uploaded and ready to go. And it's sending, and it has been sent. Using Messenger as a connectivity application to send files is that easy. Once you've got your group set up and you've got your file that's sort of floating around in the group being shared, what you can do is you actually can set permissions on members within the group, and that sets the permissions about what they can do with files. And that's setting the permissions on the files. So let's say you click on somebody else, you can make them an admin, or you could take their adminship away. That means that they wouldn't be able to delete photos or files anymore. But if they were admin, they could. So you're setting permissions on files by setting permissions on people's profiles that way within the group.
We're filming awesome. And that's it, guys. Yeah, it's got a built-in QR reader type thing to make those connections. You've got to connect to the internet, and you've got to test that connection too. Because if you're not connected, you're not going to be able to gossip with your mates and share files and such. You can restrict the permissions on files by playing around with the settings within the admin sphere. Or, you know, if it's a Word document, you could just put a password on it before you even send it. That's nice and easy, you know. Digital security is key. But yeah, this is just one example of a connectivity application. Yeah, watch the other film as well about the Chromecast. That's another connectivity application, and it's really quite cool. Alright, well, I'm going to go and do some presenter type stuff. You have a fantastic day, and we'll see you later. Ka kite.